Thanks for joining us live on Smart Family. I'm Daphne Monroe.
And I'm Connie Cola, and our goal is always to keep it smart and simple, and you're going to learn something new every day.
That's right, and today's smart topic involves healthy eating and making sure our bodies get all the necessary nutrients.
You know, beyond vitamins and minerals, fiber and protein, we all know that we also need water. But there's one other key ingredient that you may be missing in your foods.
Well, we all need oxygen to breathe, right? That's obvious. But did you know that you need it in your diet to keep you healthy? Well, to explain more about this is Tishin Donkersley, who is the editor-in-chief of Green Living magazine. Welcome, Tishin.
Thank you so much.
So I'm curious, so what exactly is oxygenated foods? Like, why do we need it to be healthy?
Well, a couple things. We want to keep our cells healthy and free of illness and or cancer. So if you have oxygen-enriched cells, then that can prevent a lot of illness.
Okay, well, I like that. That's a plus, right?
Yes.
Well, so let's talk about some things that we can eat that have oxygen in them.
Right. Well, first thing is the raw food diet.
Okay.
I know you love that. So, and we want to encourage that because the things that you eat in a raw food diet are made of water, which is hydrogen and oxygen, which helps the transfer of oxygen through our blood, and that's what we're really going for. The more oxygen we can get through our blood, and you as an athlete and runner understand to get endurance and healthy muscles and everything, you need more oxygen into your diet.
Right. Well, for those people who are out there and haven't heard of a raw food diet, can you just briefly explain what that is?
We basically get back to the basics of, you know, fruits and vegetables, legumes, and nuts.
So kind of the things that you pick off the trees are the things that you put in your mouth, and therefore that's what makes it raw, and you don't have to cook it in order to eat it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Going back to the farmer.
I like that. Okay. So our next type of food, you say green veggies.
Yeah, let's go back to green veggies here, and they contain chlorophyll. And chlorophyll has a very similar structure to our blood, and when you eat green vegetables, it transfers that into our blood and helps the oxygen transfer into our blood and enrich our our body.
Got that. Well, bottom line is that you can't go wrong with green in your diet.
Can't.
I mean, there's so much nutrients in it and so good for you. Kale would be another good one.
Kale's a great one, absolutely.
And fruits and
complex
vegetables.
Carbohydrates. You always hear that over and over. Go back to the basics of your fruits, your vegetables. I even brought some dried fruit to bring that in, and our grains. You know, flaxseed is another thing that's really wonderful.
Whole grains.
Whole grains to bring that in.
So unprocessed foods, like, so you don't want them to be processed either. So.
No, we'll get to that too, definitely. Then we want to talk about antioxidants, and we love talking about that. And I just brought some examples of that, of juices, extracting from vegetables and fruits, so that you can. It will help transfer the oxygen faster. It'll help make it more efficient in your blood.
So keeping it pure. So what that means is, like, if you get like juice, like I won't say any brands, but certain juices that say that they're juice, but really only 10% is actually extracted, and the rest is all
sugar, water,
fructose, high fructose, and all that stuff. So definitely
look for that.
So you want it totally extracted from the fruits and vegetables.
Or do you squeeze your own?
Okay, that's what I do.
So then we get into kind of the more complex thing of the iron. So where iron is an oxygen-enriching produce. So artichokes and beans, actually specifically, can help enrich your blood with oxygen, help the transfer of it.
Tishin, darling.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to comment on this. Canned vegetables, canned beans are okay, but canned vegetables, you want it as fresh as possible.
I know. Well, right now
we just use it as an example. I just had to give you a hard time because I don't want you guys thinking that going out and buying canned vegetables is ideal. It's better to either have them frozen or fresh.
So maybe we just need to put this.
We'll put that over there.
Right there. There we go. See, now she's happy.
Okay. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay.
Okay. Let's get into our B12, right? With cheese and eggs. And for those that choose not to eat eggs or dairy, then you can use soy as well. So that will help, again, transfer the oxygen, make it more enriching and stuff. And transfer to your muscles as well. And then we have copper, actually, which I found is interesting.
Copper?
Copper.
Wait, copper in almonds?
And sunflower seeds, particularly, to extract and chocolate. I found that in the research. I know. But it does. It helps transfer all the oxygen to the muscles. So as an athlete, you're training or just working out and stuff, these kind of things will help get to your muscles
or
and
just
keep under
a person, period.
Just a person, period. Exactly. But for those that really now.
Okay. Now, how is Coca-Cola oxygen, you know, good for us?
It's not.
Okay, so these are oxygen depleting foods.
Correct. So
these are no-nos. I think under everything under the umbrella, these are no-nos.
Exactly. So a couple things I just brought. Processed foods, as you said before, no-nos, white bread,
Forget it.
Forget it. Carbonated beverages are just complete.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. And I brought these wonderful things that sometimes are fed in the morning but are not.
Absolutely not considered a nutritious diet. And then, like, processed. You want to talk about processed. How can you have fried chicken
Isn't that the best?
that's frozen?
I found that. It was easy to find.
no, 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 no. So, okay, well, some good stuff there, Tisha.
Good stuff.
We always learn some good things. So keep yourself nice and healthy, and you'll have all these good cells pumping through your body. If you want more information or you want to check out Green Living Magazine, you can go to our website at abc15.com and click on the Lifestyle tab.